Hello grade 3, how are you? Merry Christmas. Today we're going to look at page 67 in the student book, and there is some listening and some speaking that I want you to do. I want you to listen to me, but I want you to speak. I want you to say the questions and the answers. You will have to know your 6 objects, so we practice those first, okay? You will need a pencil, you might need an eraser. You just need to write some names. There is not a lot of writing, okay? And if you have them, your headphones. And that's it. That's all you need. No homework, okay? Should we start? Okay. Okay. Here are the 6 object words. Again, you know we're going to do these every class. So let's go. What's this? A watch. And this one? Hungry. Lunchbox. And what is this lady wearing in her ear? It's an earring. That's right. Okay, let's look at the next 3. What's this one? Cell phone. What does this lady wear on her nose so she can see things? Glasses. And what is this object that opens doors? Key. A key. Okay, I hope that you are remembering all of these 6 object words by now. I'm sure you are. Okay, let's practice our 8 clothes items. Can you remember them? Let's go. What are these blue things here? Shorts. What are these grey clothes that we wear on our feet? There are 2. Socks. This brown clothes item that we wear when it is cold. A jacket. This pink clothes item, what's this called? A skirt. This long red clothes item, what's this called? It's countable. A dress. Oh wow, look at these, the yellow and blue and white and red. What are these? What are these special shoes that we wear for sport? Sneakers. Okay, what are these? Everyone has these, don't they? Do you have these? I'm sure you do. You probably have more than one pair. What are they? Jeans. And the last one, what is this blue item of clothing that this man is wearing? It is a t-shirt, yes. Are you practicing these words? I hope so. Okay. Okay, this is page 67. We're going to listen and speak. So step 1, we need to look at the picture below, ask and answer, then write the kids' names. So there are 3 names that are not in the picture. Now let's look here. Here we have 3 names. We have Clara, Mia and Ben. So here they are. These are the 3 children. Here they are. Now let's look at this question. What's Clara wearing? What's Clara wearing? Now we know Clara is a girl, and it says she's wearing a pink jacket and a brown skirt. So now we know who Clara is, yes? Clara is here. So now all we need to do is work out who is the boy on the left and the right of Clara. Who is Mia and who is Ben? Oh, I'm sorry, the girl and the boy. Who is Mia and who is Ben? So let's do that now. Okay, let's ask and answer the question for the 6 children. So question number 1, here is the question. What's beep, 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 wearing? And then it's he's or she's wearing. And then you must look at the picture and look at the clothes and say what they are wearing. We'll do it together, okay? Me and you. Here we go. So, what's Tom wearing? Can you say that? The question, what's Tom wearing? Now look at the picture. You can see Tom. What's he wearing? If you have to look at the student book, that's okay. Don't forget your adjectives. Here I would say colour is the best adjective. So, what's Tom wearing? The answer is he's wearing, remember he's because he's a boy, he's wearing a brown jacket and blue shorts. Look at the picture, he is wearing a brown jacket and blue shorts. If you said red socks and black sneakers, then that was really good. Okay, so number 2. What's Jane wearing? What's Jane wearing? Look at the picture. Can you answer this question? Now you know it's going to be she's. She's wearing. What is she wearing? She's wearing a purple dress. Yeah, a purple dress. Okay, what's Ken wearing? Look at Ken. What's Ken wearing? And the answer is he's wearing what is he wearing? A black t-shirt, jeans and sneakers. If you said blue jeans and white sneakers, that's great. Okay, next one. What's Clara wearing? Oh, now we looked at Clara, didn't we? So we know who Clara is. What's Clara wearing? She's wearing, well, it tells us in the box in step number 1. She's wearing a pink jacket and brown skirt. That's right. Okay, now who is next? What's Ben wearing? Ben, Churpuchai, yes? Okay, easy. What's Ben wearing? So we know the answer is, what's the answer words? He's wearing, yep, he's wearing. What is it? A white jacket and red shorts. That's right, okay. And the last one, there he is, there's Ben. Hi, Ben. What's Mia wearing? Now, we know who Mia is because there is only one person that we don't have a name for. So she's wearing... What is she wearing? Can you tell me? She's wearing a yellow t-shirt and jeans. There she is. Was this okay? So our question is what's, and then the name, what's Clara wearing? Now we know Clara is a girl, so our answer comes up, she's, she is, because the next word is an action. She's wearing, and then you must look at the clothes, say the colour, which is adjective, and then the name of the clothes. She's wearing a pink jacket. Pink jacket. Okay? Practice, practice. Page 67, step 2. We can see the children, but now we are not talking about their clothes. We are talking about the objects that they have. So, you need to listen and speak. Listen and speak. Okay? Now, here is the question. Our question is whose Kong cry, whose cell phone is it? Whose cell phone is it? And then we look at the answer and we say, I want you to ask this question first. So I want you to say the question. Okay, whose cell phone is it? And then we're going to say the question for all of the children, but we will change the object. Okay? Okay. So look at the picture to help you. Are you ready? Let's try. Okay. Here's the answer. It's Ben's cell phone. Now, can you see a cell phone in the picture? No. Why? I want you to draw with your pencil. Draw a picture of a cell phone in Ben's hand, okay? So I want you to draw the object on the picture. You can use a pencil, okay? So I will say the answer, me, you must listen. It's Ben's cell phone, and then you draw the picture in the big picture. So you can see here, Ben has a cell phone, so you can draw the picture with your pencil. Okay, this means you must listen. So, shall we start? Okay, let's do that. Okay, look at the picture. So we've done Ben. Ben, we know he has a cell phone. So I want you to ask the question when I show you the picture. Here's the picture. So can you ask the question? Whose key is it? Okay, good question. It's Tom's key. Can you say the answer? It's Tom's key. Okay. You can draw a key on Tom. Okay, next one. What's this? Yeah, whose lunchbox is it? Well, if you look at the picture, you can see. So what's the answer? It's Ken's lunchbox. That's right. It's Ken's lunchbox. Okay, question number 4. What's this? Whose earring is it? Is it, because there is one. Whose earring is it? It's Clara's earring. Can you say that? It's Clara's earring. There she is. And you can draw an earring on Clara. That's very big. Okay, and the last one. Oh, no, sorry. 2 more. 2 more. What's this? Watch. Whose watch is it? Whose watch is it? It's Jane's watch. There it is. It's Jane's watch. Okay, now is the last one. So what object is left? What object did we not look at? We can see 5 objects, but there are 6. Can you remember what the last object is? Or should I say what the last objects are? Okay, whose glasses are they? Are they not? Is it? No, are they? They're Mia's glasses. There they are. Okay, this is just about practicing asking the question and answer the question. I want you to speak. I want you to say these words. Practice speaking, okay? Great. Keep practicing, please. Okay, what does Miss Oi say? She says, don't forget to write the apostrophe S. when we are talking about something belonging to someone. Okay. So here we have its. Now we know that is it is. Tom's. Now this apostrophe S means Kong Tom. Yes? Not Kong Kun, not Kong Ter, not Kong Puchai. Tom's, Kong Tom. It's Tom's pencil. This is the correct English. Not it's Tom pencil. This is wrong.